I have Nubia Red Magic 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the camera family, select slow motion, tap on the gear icon, and here you can record slow-mo videos in different FPS. So depending on FPS, depends its speed. The higher the FPS, the slower the slow motion will be. So if you hit like this last FPS, it will be like super slow, like slow as, I don't know, as life. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.